Hey, I'm Tim.
And I'm Logan.
Welcome back to Georgia Workshop. Tonight we're going to do the drawing for our favorite things giveaway. So we're going to start off with the maker giveaway, and then we'll move to the non-maker giveaway. Had a very abysmal turnout for this. We only had about 31 or 2 entries, so there's not a whole lot of competition. Hopefully, just going to make sure they're all mixed up. None of these are stuck together. Close your eyes. Mix it up and pick one out of there.
Got one.
All right. Read it off.
All right. Scott Oram.
Scott Oram, Dad It Yourself DIY. I actually met Scott at Workbench Con this year. He was he's a Navy man, really good guy. So that's pretty cool. So Scott, you won our maker giveaway. Do you want to tell Scott what he won?
Yeah.
Do you even know what he won?
I don't know what this is.
This is a Capro Tools T-bevel.
Then you got a mini pick and hook set, 4-piece.
Mini pick set from Harbor Freight.
Looks like just a level.
Nope, a multi-mark from Craig.
Not bad. 2 bottles of Titebond glue. You got Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue and Titebond 2 Premium Wood Glue.
Yep. And
one's waterproof and this one's water resistant.
Yep, and the Titebond Tight Brush.
Then CA glue.
Yep, that is a multi-pack of Starbond CA glue. We got a thin, a medium, and a thick, plus the accelerator, so you can instantly activate the glue.
Got some Klingspor
Sandpaper multi-pack, so you can try out the Klingspor best sandpaper I've used in a long time.
You got some resin.
Yep, some Total Boat 2-to-1 high performance resin with slow hardener. Also the accessories deal with it, some mixing cups, some mixing sticks, pair of gloves,
and then a bunch of pigment for that.
Yep, 10 packs of a sample pack of Black Diamond pigment. Also our
It's cutting board wax.
Our Georgia Workshop cutting board wax. It's all natural essential oils, beeswax, and mineral oil. That'll keep your cutting boards fresh, looking good.
And then the handmade leather Georgia Workshop patch hat.
Yep. So, right. Scott, this is everything you win. I will be shooting you an email to get your mailing address so I can get this out to you hopefully this week. Now, we're going to get rid of these. And we're going to... The non-maker giveaway was even worse for participation in the maker giveaway. I think we had 7 people participate on the non-maker side. Is that Scott's?
Yeah.
All right. I'll hold on to that so I can shoot him an email. All right. Literally, we had like 7 people enter the non-maker giveaway, and one of them is my sister. So,
nice.
You ready? Close your eyes. Get one of those guys.
Got one.
All right. Let's read her off.
Christina Doogie?
Christina Doogie or Dougie, I'm not sure. AZ Kids 07. Christina, excellent. Congratulations. You win this hand-painted reclaimed tin sign. This comes from a tin roofing panel that we reclaimed from a barn that was being torn down, and my wife hand-painted that sign. You get a set of Georgia Workshop river coasters. It's actually my favorite set of river coasters. So this is a ambrosia maple that I picked up at Klingspor Woodworking Shop about 8 to 10 months ago. A Georgia Workshop cheese board, some cutting board wax to keep your cheese board or any of your wooden cutting boards or even wooden utensils. I've been actually using this stuff to freshen up all of our wooden spoons in the kitchen as well. You can use it for any of those. And a Georgia Workshop hat, custom handmade leather patch hat. So excellent. So that is the non-maker giveaway to go along with the maker giveaway. So I'm going to try to get both of these out in the mail this week. I've got to find some boxes, get everything boxed up, packaged up properly with good packing materials and whatnot. But we're gonna try to get that done. So thank you everybody for participating. We do actually have another giveaway coming up very soon. I collaborated with Ethan from Ethan Carter Designs on a mallet build. I built the mallets. I sent them off to him to leather wrap the handles. So we're gonna do a giveaway for one of those mallets. We made 3, or he's wrapping the handles now as we speak. But we made 3 mallets. He keeps one, I keep one, and we're gonna give one away to someone that watches our videos. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in winning a handmade and hand leather wrapped mallet by Georgia Workshop and Ethan Carter Designs. I will link his channel either up here or down there or somewhere, wherever the links show up. He makes some really, really good content I think you guys be interested to see. So, anything else?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. You just flash gang signs on my YouTube video?
Double peace signs.
Double peace. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What? What?
This reminds me of that video you mom.
Video of me and Mom?
Yeah. And with all the cuts. Get the show on the road.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Dad, start.
Sipping my coffee. You done?
What do you mean am I done?
You're crunching ice over there. I'm about to start talking.
I'm waiting on you. If you even like it.
Easy. I'm flying out all over the place. Hey, I'm Tim.
Oh. I forgot.
You got one line.
Yeah.
And it's your own name.